Let's take a look at workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is an insurance program. Employment-related means that the illness or injury covered by workers' compensation had to do with the worker's action for an organization, although the injury or illness didn't have to happen while the person was actually at work. The workers' compensation program is paid for by employers. Employees pay none of the cost of workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation is a no-fault insurance. Workers' compensation is mandatory in every state with the exception of Texas, where coverage is optional. In the states where it's mandatory, employers must purchase workers' compensation insurance in order to operate their business. Just how expensive is workers' compensation insurance? The answer varies, but as an average, it generally costs between 1.2 and 2% of payroll for most organizations. Within an organization, what are the risks of injury associated with each job? Some occupations are much more risky than others. This impacts workers' compensation. An experience rating is a measure of how often claims are made against an insurance policy, an important concept in workers' compensation and other insurance-related issues. Injured workers will get compensated based on their particular state's workers' compensation rating manual. This manual provides the required payout rates for various types of injuries. State governments have the primary authority for managing their state's program. In a situation where a pool of insured companies group together, the company that has been denied insurance can go to the state's Workers' Compensation Commission and ask to be covered in a workers' compensation pool offered by the state. The pool assignments are usually based on the percent share of each insurer's policies within the state. Because of their industry and their experience rating, there are cases where companies are spending significant amounts of money on workers' compensation coverage.